After India launched a bold diplomatic offensive and executed Operation Sindoor, Pakistan now finds itself cornered, politically, diplomatically and strategically. India's moves, ranging from suspending trade to halting the Indus Waters Treaty, have left Pakistan shaken. The pressure is mounting and the cracks are beginning to show. Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, speaking from Iran, once again expressed a desire for peace, offering talks on trade, Kashmir, water sharing and counter-terror cooperation.
We are ready to talk for the sake of peace on water issue with a neighbor. We are ready to talk to promote trade and also counter-terrorism if they are serious. But if they choose to remain aggressor, then we shall defend our territory and our country.
But India's stance remains firm. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already made it clear that any dialogue with Pakistan will be limited to the return of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and the issue of terrorism.
Bharat Mata ki jai! Bharat Mata ki jai!
पाकिस्तान के साथ न ट्रेड होगा न टॉक। अगर बात होगी तो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के कब्जे वाले कश्मीर की, पीओके की।
With tensions high, India has drawn the red line and this time there's no turning back. Talks will happen on India's terms or not at all.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.